Hello guys, I'm Anastasia, Russian language teacher, and today I can sound a bit strange maybe because I have a cold unfortunately before New Year. I think most of the people make wishes, plan something, and I also do this. Actually, I will do it in January because now I don't have energy at all. So many people this day wish like, okay, in 2024 I want to learn Russian, or I want to learn French, Italian, and making wishes like to learn new language, one of the most popular, I think, after to to get married, to buy a house and everything. And I don't know actually, how to buy a house, how to buy a new car, how to get married because I'm not married, but I know how to learn language because I did it many times. I mean, I know how you don't have to do and what really works. And today I will give you some advices that help for me. I think that to learn new language, it is one of the real goals that you really can achieve. And I think any one of you, if you are watching this channel, if you are interested in learning languages, you know what is it. Okay, January 1st, January 2nd, January, this first week after New Year, you're very productive, you have a lot of energy because you are very motivated after all these holidays with your family in a good mood. But after all this magic in 1 week or two, you already are not so productive, you already forget about your goal and you don't learn language how you wanted. So what we have to do in this case, write me in comments if this happened with you, because with me it happened every day before I started to do it different. So first, don't wait for ideal productivity from yourself. Don't try to do everything ideally. Don't try to do too much, especially if this is a new habit that you didn't do before. It can be really hard for you to learn language for 1 hour with your work, with your family, with your hobbies. So maybe you have to change it and to study, for example, 3 times a week for 1 hour, or 4 times a week for 1 hour, or maybe every day for 20 minutes. So your goal should be realistic. It's better to say, I want to achieve the level A1 in a new year, and just believe me, it's better to achieve A1 or and in the end of year you will be happy because I achieved a level A1 or even A2. But it's better than you will think, oh my gosh, I didn't achieve B1 in just in 1 year, this is because I did everything wrong. So it's better to have different steps in your study. It's better to do it regularly than try to do it ideally for many hours and just give up in 1 month. What really helped me a lot, for me works a lot to listen to the music, because I know you need a lot of energy even to translate the page of the book, or to do grammar exercises, or maybe to watch a movie. It's also very hard to watch movie in another language, but listening to music, it's the easiest thing you can do. I think you will catch new words from this music, do pauses to take a rest in your study. So some days you can rest and nothing will happen. 1 week you can rest, and after the rest you will be even more motivated than you did before. But don't do big pauses, because after a big pause it's very hard to come back to study. This is also something about the magic, because we speak about New Year. This is what I do. I also do something like a special desk of my wish. For example, you want to learn Russian language, you can think what will motivate you more. For example, you can make a picture with a happy family with Russian women, your children that you will have. Maybe the picture of Hermitage, Russian food, and usually I use it like for my laptop, and every time I open it I see this, and I remember that's why I learned this language. So this small step will help you not to lose motivation. Everything what inspires you, you can use there. Also, what works really good, give small presents to yourself. Just think, okay, if I will finish this chapter of the book, I will buy something for myself, or maybe I will go somewhere where I've never been. Maybe I will make a small party. So anything you want, but small presents are working really good. So don't be strict to yourself, just love yourself. So say yourself every time you did even a small progress, oh my gosh, I'm so cool. And just remember that the person who do small steps regularly always win the person who try to do everything in one moment and give up. And if you're interested in learning Russian with teacher and you would like to try to work with me as a teacher, you also can book a class with me. And I wish you a happy new year, and I wish that everything was really good for you, how you planned. I wish you to learn languages. I wish you to find family. I wish you to find woman of your dream, to earn money as much as you need, sure, to learn new language. So be happy and see you in 2024.